In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Monday.com. First, open your Monday.com account and head to your main homepage. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has admin permissions, because only admins can set up and manage integrations across the workspace. Once you're on the home screen, we're going to move into the admin area where all the integration settings live. Look towards the main navigation and click into the highlighted profile or settings area, then choose administration. This will open the admin panel for your Monday account. From here, look for the General or Profile section, and then click into the option called Automation Connections. This is where Monday.com keeps all the connections to external tools, including Mailchimp. Inside Automation Connections, find and select Explore Integrations. This will open the Integration Center, which is basically a marketplace of apps that can connect with Monday.com. You might see a search bar or a list of popular integrations. Use the search or scroll until you find Mailchimp, then click on Mailchimp to open its integration options. Once you're in the Mailchimp integration view, you'll see different recipes you can use. For this tutorial, select the recipe that says, "When a contact is subscribed to this list, create an item in this group." This means that every time someone new subscribes to a specific Mailchimp list, Monday.com will automatically create a new item for them in the group you choose. Next, click on the recipe that says, "When a campaign is sent to this list, create an item in this group." This is useful if you want to track each campaign you send to that list as a separate item on your Monday board for reporting or follow-up. Now you'll be prompted to choose where these items should go inside Monday.com. Click on the board or project you want to connect. Pick the relevant group on that board, then click Connect. At this point, Monday.com will redirect you to Mailchimp so you can authorize the connection. If you already have a Mailchimp account, simply log in with your existing details and approve the connection. If you don't have an account yet, type in the requested information to create one, then click on Create an Account. Follow Mailchimp's on-screen steps to finish setting up your profile. Once that's done and the authorization completes, your integration between Mailchimp and Monday.com is fully set up. New subscribers and sent campaigns will now automatically appear as items in your chosen Monday boards, keeping your marketing and project tracking perfectly in sync.